Located on a steep site in the Nova Lima region of Minas Gerais, a remote region near the city of Belo Horizonte, Casa Açucena, or Lily House, is an angular, lily-shaped home on stilts which lifted in a lush Brazilian forest in a way that prevented the unnecessary removal of surrounding trees. The house, in its white color, is a surprise to those who arrive, perched on a series of black stilts, which emulate the random placement of trees in a forest. Elevated up to 15 meters above ground level through stilts, the visitors enter from the upper level, where the garage is located. There's an exterior staircase leads down to the home's intermediate level, where a generous deck separates the main volume of the home from the garage structure. Floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors open onto the kitchen, living, and dining room, providing a continuous transition to the heart of the home. The home's sprawling, angular layout was conceived to avoid removing any trees from the site during construction. The living space opens onto a secondary, covered terrace, immersing the residents in the lush natural context from two sides. Throughout the communal spaces, several angular skylights help illuminate the interiors, while also providing dramatic vistas of the surrounding treetops and the sky. There are 3 bedrooms inside the 500 square meter property. 2 are on the main level, while another is on the lowest level, which is accessed through an exterior spiral staircase. Beyond the communal areas is a study that offers a buffer between the bedrooms and the rest of the home. The architects left most of the structural concrete exposed and chose a monochrome palette for finishes such as window frames, railings, and light fixtures. The furniture selections reflect a more colorful palette, with modernist leather pieces and warm wooden tones. Completing the home's indoor-outdoor layout is a swimming pool jutting out amongst the trees. Oversized picture windows in the study provide a direct view of the pool from inside. Here's a look at the plan of the house.